Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, but finally I have everything I need. Finally, after waiting a while, finally just got all my stuff. Over here I have my Cook's headers specifically designed for LJ swap kits. Looks way better than these headers. They look like they should fit. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But they should fit 100%. And over here I have my Dash 6 rated fuel lines, Dash 6 fuel fittings, O2 sensors, and over here I have my fuel cell bulkhead adapter. This is also Dash 6. And over here I have my coolant ports and hoses. And over here I have my inline fuel filter. And I already opened it. Over here is my oil filter relocation kit, and it came with the lines specifically made from LJ. I don't know where the lines are. Where'd they go? Oh, they're right here. Alright, so I already got the passenger side header off, and right now we're about to go ahead and throw on these headers. Hopefully they fit. Got my boy over here, Justin, gonna help out today. Let's get as much done as we can. Alright, y'all boys. Alright, so we tried installing the driver's side header from the top side, and it was just giving us a rough time. So right now my boy is removing the steering shaft, and we should be able to put the driver's side header right through this way. And I went ahead and test fitted the passenger side, and it fit perfect.
Do you have a lighter?
So once we get this off, we should be able to get the driver's side header on. Hoping it fits, doesn't hit anything. Looks like it'll fit though. It's a huge difference compared to those headers. Super stoked. Finally getting this thing done. I can't be any more happier. Hope you guys are ready to see this thing on the road soon. Also, September 19th, my dealership, Toyota of Deerfield Beach, is throwing a car meet, well, a car show, and Street Racing May 6 hosting it. I'm trying to get this car done by then. I have exactly a week to get this done. Gonna try everything, get this thing done before then. Hopefully I get it and I could bring it to the car show. If not, my car's still gonna be there. I'm just gonna have to push it. It's literally in the front of the dealership, so it's gonna be awesome. Looking forward to that. And if any of you guys want to come and see the build, hopefully it'll be finished. If not, it's gonna be almost finished, but you guys can definitely see it then. All right, I'm gonna get back to work now.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, so right now we've got both headers in, but we're running into a problem with the driver's side.
We're gonna use to ding it in.
It's hitting on the steering shaft a little bit. So we're gonna have to ding the header right there just a little, just to clear it. Then they should fit. Well, they do fit. So right now my boy's about to torch it up, and then we're gonna bang it out a little. Woo! Gonna burn the place down.
Is that pair of pliers?
Yeah, they're...
Oh, the knob's broken? Here. Give me the light. Right here.
Yeah, right there.
You see the hammer? Look around them, they just. Yeah, that's all. smoke coming out of the bottom.
Going it up?
Yeah, definitely going in. It's working. Try to go a little lower to like try to get the area a little bit so it stops so many. It's just really fucking heating that shit. Let's see if that works. Let's see how close we are. Yeah, I definitely banged it a lot. I don't want to like go as far as, you know what I mean? We want to get just.
Yeah, you did bang it in.
Definitely did, dude.
Yeah.
Here, do you want the?
That should be enough.
Don't touch that shit.
Thing smoking. Woo!
Alright, push the wheel out, Alex.
Alright. Alright, so it's still hitting. So he's about to torch it up again. And we're gonna bang it in a little bit more. But it's definitely a lot better.
Torch. That lower portion of it too, like to the left, lower left, yeah. A little lower too, a little lower. Yeah. A little bit to that left corner, left bottom corner. Yeah. Keep trying to that's not gonna work.
What a good way to ruin $1,300 headers.
Hell yeah, brother.
Alright. Hopefully now it'll go on without hitting. Alright, so it's barely hitting. Gonna do it one more time. And this should fit.
Little down more. No. Little down more. One more time.
All right,
I got a hot piece of metal.
should be enough.
Right? Yeah. Lay that on my lip.
All right, you guys, so we just got the rack on, and that is literally the clearance we have. Hey, but it works though. So right now we're about to put in the steering shaft, and then everything will be good. And then tomorrow we'll be doing all the fuel stuff. Hopefully get this thing running soon before that car show on September 19th. Alright guys, so we finally got the steering shaft back in, and we turned the wheel both ways, all the way to see if it would hit on the headers, because it was super tight fit, and turned the wheel, wasn't rubbing, everything was good. We went ahead and threw the car outside. It's got really late, honestly. So tomorrow we're gonna be worrying about all the fuel stuff, knock all that out tomorrow, and the next day after that it's gonna be all harness stuff and a couple radiator hoses and all small stuff like that. We're getting really close to finishing this build. Super stoked. Took a little time, but had to wait for parts. Wasted money on nothing, on the other headers and all that bullshit, but now we got the right parts. Getting ready to get this thing done. Super stoked. Can't wait to get it started, hear that thing. Hope you guys are excited as much as I am, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.